Together for just 1 year and about to hit the big time.
So in 2022, we entered our first national barbershop harmony New Zealand competition, which we competed at in Palmerston North, and we won that competition, and we won it with the highest score ever in New Zealand. So it was a huge shock for us, I think, to do as well as we did.
Henrietta Hunkin Tangaloa was thrilled her group made history by being the first to sing in Pacific languages.
It was a risk on our part because never have this competition had Pacific music, so you have to kind of sing in languages that people understand. But with these songs, we turned it into a story that people could relate to, that they could understand. Pacific music is probably not familiar to many people over there, so it is another risk on our part. But again, we're wanting to showcase that, to share that with the world, and we won't shy away from it.
Now they're keen to compete against the world's best.
What I'm most looking forward to is travelling as a team, as a unit, as a family. I think what we have is really special, and it's a huge point of difference in being able to share our beautiful cultures and our beautiful music with the international stage.
No matter how they place in the competition, their top priority is to introduce Pacific voices and stories to the world of barbershop.
Majority of the songs that you'll hear over there are traditional, kind of more old school love songs, all about love, which is great, which is cool, but ours has a deeper meaning, a deeper story that has been, it's not something we made up. This is the story of our ancestors, of our people, of our families, and that's what we're really excited about putting on stage for the international audience.